When Bill Crescetto's successful ranching career in Othello ended, he began a second career in philanthropy. His initial passion was wildlife preservation, but through his relationship with the Innovia Foundation, he began to better understand the needs in his rural community. He embraced the idea of making an impact in the areas of healthcare and quality of life in rural communities. Bill passed away on January 25, 2018, and his $10 million estate established the William A. Crescetto Charitable Foundation.
I remember Bill Crescetto as a thoughtful and gentle spirit. And although he lived very minimally, that's what exactly helped him preserve his estate to make a significant impact for rural communities, which was his passion.
To invest in rural health care, Bill worked with the Innovia Foundation to give $2 million. He established a $1 million endowment to support doctors completing their residencies in rural communities. He also gave a $500,000 to Washington State University to fund a mobile healthcare unit and gave another $500,000 to ensure its ongoing operations.
The Elson S. Floyd College of Medicine is a community-based medical school. Across our state, we have about 1,700 current residents. Only about 150 of those are east of the Cascades. About 75% of them will stay within a 100-mile region of where they do their residency.
Bill was not a big fan of telemedicine. He wanted physicians talking face-to-face with patients in their rural communities. He wanted people to be able to age in place like he was able to do.
Most of the state of Washington is medically underserved or as medically underserved populations. So we need to reverse that change so that those in smaller communities and in rural environments have access to health care.
When Bill first started dreaming about how he could bring rural health care to the rural communities, we found out there was an opportunity to fund a mobile health care unit that Washington State University Medical School was working on. I told Bill, it looks like it's going to be a rock star van, but instead of rock stars, it's going to have physicians in it. He was really excited about that.
Mr. Crescetto's gift begins to address this in a real way.
He's going to leave a lasting impact that will help improve the lives and well-being of people in rural communities for generations to come.